Welcome to Crypto Coins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Coins. Daniel J. Glenn here, the Crypto Keeper. And before we get started, I want to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial decisions. But if you want to try Kalshi perps, you can use the affiliate link down below. Trade $50 and you will get a bonus subject to eligibility. Now today, I want to talk a little bit about the difference between spot trading and perpetual futures. Now, if you've ever bought cryptocurrency and held it in a wallet, you've already used what's known as spot trading. Now, perpetual futures, it works a little bit differently. So instead of buying and holding an asset, you're trading its price movement, and you can choose to either take a long position if you expect something to rise, or a short position if you expect them to fall. Now, Kalshi perps let you choose a multiplier. Now, multipliers increase your market exposure, meaning you'll amplify both the potential returns, but also the potential losses. So it's important to understand the risks before you do any sort of trading. Now, both potential gains and losses can be amplified, so understanding the risks is really important before you start trading. Now, for many traders, perpetual futures are simply another tool alongside spot investing rather than a replacement for it. So it's a little different. You can do both, is what I'm trying to say. Both approaches, they have their place, and it really depends on your goals and your trading strategy. Now, let me know what you'd like me to cover next, and we'll see you in the next video.